All right, so I asked the kid what he wanted for dinner tonight. What does he ask for? The kid asks for petrale. So that's what I'm making. I'm making petrale tonight. We've got our petrale right here. It's good stuff. It's a great fish, nice light little white fish that I'm gonna bread. Put a little breading on it. I'm gonna fry it up in that skillet behind me. We're gonna call it a day. Maybe make some asparagus or something on the side, but the kid, he's getting his petrale tonight. Okay, so the monkey's got his food. He's behind me. Finally got his petrale. He was all jacked about his petrale. Couldn't wait to have it. So there's your petrale, buddy. What do you think? You ready?
Woo!
Look at
This
that.
is good stuff.
Wait, let's try it out.
This is gonna
Take a
taste
bite.
so good.
Take a bite, man. People want to see what it looks like. Take a bite.
Okay, let's see.
You can't even stick it in your mouth, huh?
Nope.
Yeah? Is that working for you?
Mm-hmm.
Little dash of lemon on there. All right, so I made your petrale for you, man. And I know that's what you like. It's your favorite dish, supposedly. Is this right?
Yes, it is.
It's your favorite dish.
Definitely.
Why do you like it so much?
I mean, just the breadcrumbs, the fish tastes really good, the lemon on it.
Oh man, look at it, nice and crunchy. He's got his little rice bowl. He went back to when he was like 5. I should tell everybody that you wiped out on your skateboard. That's why you got that big mark on your chin. Poor kid. That happens. Ride Lunar! All right, well, hey, there you go. Go have your meal. See ya.
Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.